Good morning. So today we are multiplying and dividing by 9. We'll start with our usual warm-up. Here we go. So pause the video, answer the questions, and when they're all complete, come back to me and I'll go through the answers. Okay, so by now you will have unpaused your video, so here are the answers to the question. How many faces does a cube have? Well, a face on a three-dimensional shape is a flat surface. You can see it highlighted in the diagram here. So a cube actually has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Okay, how many edges does a cube have? Well, a cube, if you have a look at it, has got edges around each of the faces. So one of the edges is highlighted there in green. So let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 faces altogether. The next question uses the law of commutativity. 9 times 6 is the same as 6 times 9. And now all we're doing is practicing your times table. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are 15. Now let's learn our main activity. So we've got 4 cookies. They look yummy, and they're meant to be chocolate chip cookies, even yummier. And what we've got to do is work out how many chocolate chips have been used in these cookies altogether. So there are 4 cookies. There are 9 chocolate chips in each cookie. So altogether there are, that's right, 36 chocolate chips altogether. Let's look at this now as a number sentence. So we've basically got 4 9s. 9 add 9 add 9 add 9, which is 36 if we added all of the chocolate chips together. But we can make our life easier by turning that into multiplication. So 4 times 9 is 36. But then again, using the law of commutativity, we can say that 9 times 4 is also 36. Okay, we've got sweets this time. 9 each, some packets, and each one contains 9 sweets. So there are 6 packets of sweets. How many sweets will there be altogether? Have a think. Let's go. So we have got 6 packets of sweets. So we've got 9 add 9 add 9 add 9 add 9 add 9 6 times, which is 54. 6 9s are 54. 9 6s are 54. Okay, this time we have a fish tank. Now, an equal amount are put into each of the 9 tanks. How many fish are put in each tank? So we've got to share our fish between the 9 tanks. Here we go. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and that's how it would normally go. So there are actually 3 fish in each tank. So 27 divided by 9, so shared into 9 groups is 3. Okay, 27 is the total number of fish, 9 is the number of fish tanks, and 3 is the number of fish in each tank. Let's look at it another way. There are 27 fish, 9 fish are put in each tank. How many tanks are needed for all the fish? So it's the same question, just using grouping this time. There's one tank of 9, there's another tank of 9, and there's another tank of 9. 3 groups of 9 fish. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 27 is the total number of fish. 9 is the number of fish in each tank. And 3 is the number of tanks. And there you go. We have got sharing and grouping. 2 different ways to answer multiplication and division questions. Okay, so here we've got an array. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so there you go. We had 4 rows, and each row, 4 rows, and each row contains 9 counters. So 9 times 4 is 36, and 4 times 9 is 36. There you go. You can see row 1 and another 4 rows, and then you can see 9 columns. So we can also do a division. 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 36 divided by 9 is 4. This is similar to what we talked about yesterday when we talked about number families. From one multiplication fact, we can get three other multiplication and division facts. Okay, so now it's time to have a go at questions 1 to 5 on the worksheet. Pause the video here. Right, I'm back. True or false? 2 times 3 times 9 equals 5 times 9. 9 times 3 equals 3 times 3 times 3. And 2 times 3 times 9 equals 9 times 6. Okay, just pause the video here. Think about this. Maybe jot down your ideas on a piece of paper. And when you're ready, press play and I'll continue. Right, we're going to look at arrays. We're going to use arrays to help answer this question. Okay, I'm going to draw an array for 5 times 9. Okay, now here's an array for 2 times 3 and another one for 2 times 3 times 9. So the answer is very clearly false. It's all about the next one. Here's another array for 9 times 3. So we want 3 groups of 9. And here's another array for 3 times 3 times 3. And look, they're the same. So it's true. Last one. You've got your 2 arrays there. Is that one true or is that one false? Well, 2 times 3 is the same as 6. So it's also true. Brilliant. Okay, one more question to have a look at, a bit of a reasoning one. You've got some number cards here, and what you have to do is decide how we can make that number sentence correct using only those number cards. Okay, so can you use each card more than once? Have a think, get your scrap paper out, try and answer the questions or answer on the sheet below, and I'll be back once you've done that. Here I am again, back. So 12 times 9 is 108. So we know we're talking about 9s because you've got to multiply by 9 on the opposite side of the less than sign. So we need to say, oh, we've got 108. How can we divide that into groups of 9? Well, 12 9s is 108. So therefore, we know that those 2 numbers that are left must be less than 9. There's your P. They mustn't equal 9. Sorry, less than 12. They mustn't equal 12. They must be less than 12. So let's look at possibilities. Right, we have 2. 2 times what is 12? Well, sorry. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. Is that less than 12? Yes. So that's a possibility. Because 36 is less than 108. 2 times 3 is 6. Does that work? Yes. Because 6 times 9 is 54. 2 times 4 works because 2 times 4 is 8 and is less than 12. 2 times 5 works because 2 times 5 is 10 and is less than 12. Have a think. Will 2 times 6 work? Well, 2 times 6 equals 12. Can't be right because our number sentence says it has to be less than 12. So you cannot use that number. Oops, sorry, I've gone the wrong way. You can do 3 times 3 times 9 because 3 times 3 is 9. Can you do 3 times 4? No, because it equals 12. Right, have a go at the rest of the worksheet and I'll be back later on to go to over the trickier questions. If you're feeling brave, there is another 9 times table sheet that you can have a go at and you can use your answer booklets to answer those questions. Bye, have a good day.